My next guest brings 35 years of financial leadership to one of the most closely watched names in global shipping. He's the CFO of ADNOC L&S and has a background that runs deep with over a decade as a CFO with some companies listed here at the New York Stock Exchange, and also extensive experience across financial planning, reporting treasury, investor relations, and M&A. We want to welcome to the show Mr. Hugh Baker. Thank you so much for joining us.
Great to be here.
ADNOC is well known to U.S. investors as a major energy producer. So for those just getting to know ADNOC L&S, how would you describe the business and its scale today?
So we have a market cap of around $12 billion. We're 78% owned by ADNOC, and that really contributes to a lot to our scale. And we are an international logistics and shipping company, and we are involved very heavily in the moving of ADNOC's energy, but also the whole overall energy transportation sort of chain.
So let's talk a little bit more about L&S, and it's had a very strong financial growth over the past few years. What do you think the market still underappreciates about the company's equity story?
I think that the market really understands how diversified we are and how strong we are, and how really, the quality of our earnings is really something to behold, because we have over $25 billion of long-term contracted revenue mainly from our parent company, and that is a base which we can grow, and it's a base of earnings that gives us enormous stability.
So let's talk about ADNOC L&S's balanced, steady shareholder returns with combined investment in fleet expansion and global growth.
Well, we've got the financial base and the strong revenue stream to really, invest throughout the cycle, but throughout the whole logistics chain. So we're investing in ships, we're investing in offshore assets, we're investing in logistics bases, but more importantly, and we're also investing in dividends to our shareholders. So it's really, we have the ability and the strength to really do all of those things, and we're still growing, and it's a really great story to be part of.
Global shipping has become increasingly unpredictable nowadays. So what gives you the confidence that the company's ability to keep delivering strong earnings and cash flow?
It's the broad range of assets and activities that we have. I mean, we have gas ships, we have oil tankers, we have dry bulk ships. We are carrying different commodities for ADNOC and other groups. We are assisting in the offshore production chain and offshore production for ADNOC. So we are involved in many activities, and that gives us a really diverse range of revenue, which is really helping us maintain a very stable outlook in terms of profits and revenues.
More about the expansion well beyond its traditional domestic base. How is the company positioning itself to become a global integrated and logistics player?
I think there are two things. One is to have a very strong financial base, and we do have that strong financial base. We can afford to expand. We have the balance sheet and the capability to acquire assets and to build our business. And the second thing is we have the expertise. Logistics and shipping is what we do. We're very good at it. We're very comfortable with it. We can do it in our home market. We're doing it in the Middle East area, and we're also spreading our wings internationally.
So let's talk a little bit about the future. When we look at 5-10 years from now, where exactly do you see the company going?
I think we're going to be bigger. I think we're going to be stronger. I think we're going to be involved in most of the same businesses we're in now. There will be a little bit of, should we say, spread into adjacent industries within sort of energy logistics. But really, we're going to be bulking up, and we're really going to be investing in assets, principally to support ADNOC and the ADNOC Group's growth, but also to support other companies and the overall industry.
Well, thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Baker. Appreciate your time and obviously the information that you are providing about ADNOC L&S. Thank you so much.
Well, it's been a real pleasure. Thank you.